Welcome to this fast-track guide to K14 data gathering methods. Let's get straight to it. Quantitative data tells you what is happening. It's the numbers, like how many users clicked the button. Qualitative data tells you why they clicked. It's the stories and opinions from interviews. The core knowledge is appraisal. A professional knows that the question they're asking dictates which method they should use. If you need to track performance, use quantitative. If you need to understand human behavior, use qualitative. Let's focus on two actions that will give you instant portfolio evidence. First, look for a survey your company uses. In your log, pick out one quantitative question, say, a 1 to 5 rating scale, and explain what it measures. Then, identify one qualitative question, a simple text box, and explain how it helps you find the why. Second, look for an example of mixed methods being used. For instance, Maya the cybersecurity analyst might use automated security monitoring data, Quant, but then interview the compromised user, Qual, to understand the incident. Document both types of data used for one problem. The easiest way to start is to ask a colleague, especially a business analyst, how they structure their interviews to gather clear, qualitative requirements. To get the marks for K14, you must use the STARR method to tell a structured story of professional judgment. In the situation and task sections, set up the problem. You needed to measure something and understand the human reason behind it. The action is where you name the technique and demonstrate appraisal. For example, I determined that a purely quantitative metric wouldn't solve the problem, so I chose direct observation, a qualitative method, to watch users struggling with the application. The result shows the positive outcome of using the correct, well-appraised method. This concisely proves your K14 competency to the assessor. For your major project, demonstrating K14 competency is essential. It is the groundwork for your project's justification. Your final report needs to prove that your solution solves a real problem. You must show how you used mixed methods to define the problem in detail. Don't just show the performance numbers, Quant, show the human cost through stakeholder statements, Qual. Make sure you write a sentence in your report explicitly stating that you appraised the available data gathering methods and why the selected methods were robust enough to justify your solution. This is a key differentiator for achieving a merit or distinction.